Hello everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today, my free spirit bundle elite box came in. And I don't know what's in it because I haven't seen a spoiler. So this is super exciting. Let's just dive in, shall we? I am going to stand up and you are going to see a very, very, very casual Terry today. And that's okay. Because life is crazy. So let me just start getting in. Okay, you guys, this box is like busting at the seams. My husband's like, is there a blanket in there? I don't know. Okay, so at the top, get this around here. You can see we got the card. So card with a wax seal. And then all the beauty. Look at this. So this is something that is different between elite and the petite. The elite comes with the little extra for the decor and the experience of unboxing it. And when I say decor there, I really meant it just looks pretty. So I'm going to pull out the top thing here because if you've already watched my petite unboxing, I already knew this was coming because there was a spoiler in it. If you have not watched my petite, go over and check it out. But in the petite, there was a tag on one of the items and it mentioned this item. And let me tell you, it confused the heck out of me. But it says, since you are queen of the kitchen and creativity is messy, use me to keep your clothes a little cleaner while you stir up something yummy. My coordinating towel is a fun bonus, and the best part, we can both be washed and dried. So this is an apron and tea towel set. Look how pretty. So let's check it out here. Oh my goodness, you guys. The ribbon that the twine that she used to tie this has little balls, wooden balls at the end. So this is definitely something to be saved. Look at them. They're little wooden balls at the end. That's the extra you get in the elite. So here is the tea towel. And I love the little extra. So you can use that to hang. How pretty. So you can have it that. Well, I guess you could have it that way too. But look how pretty it is. So a nice tea towel. And this is made out of 51% rayon, 49% linen, machine wash cold, gentle cycle, don't bleach, tumble dry low, warm iron if needed, or hand wash. So she never gives us anything that you can't put in the washer, which I love. And then the matching apron. So let's see here. You know what I love about this apron? Is I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's just one it goes around your waist. I like that it just goes around your waist. And this, you can put the towel in just like this. So I'm not sure how well that looks there, but you get what I'm saying. You can have the towel kind of hanging off of you, and as you wash your hands, you don't have to dry your hands on your apron. You can dry them on the towel. Next here. All right, so this was just laying up here. All right, let's see what this says. I bring a little sparkle to your table and a touch of artisan charm to your kitchen. Perfect for stirring, serving, or gifting. Practical, beautiful, and made to share. Let's see. It feels like spoons. That's what it feels like. Well, if I can get into it. Okay, and I love the little cloth bag. Definitely something that's reusable. Okay, there's more than one in here. Wow, there's 4, it seems like. Right. So definitely 4. Ooh, so it is spoons. Can you see like the difference in the shades there? So I have gotten a lot of cool spoons from her store. I love these. Oh my goodness, and this is a little different one. Look at that. Oh, and look at that. So what are the other 2 like? But yeah, I just love these pretty spoons. I have them sitting out at by my coffee bar. Oh, wow. Okay. This one's got like a pink tinge to it. And look, it's square. Okay. I like the creativity of them all being different. I don't know what to expect with this one. Whoa, so this is a little bit more goldish, more flattened. So let me show you all of these. Oh, I love these. Get them all up here so you can kind of see the differences. Oops, if I could get them. Oh, and look at the back of that one. So cool. That one has a little bit of it too. Okay, let me see. Can I do this? Can I do this? I can do it as best as I can do it. Okay, I can't do it very good now, can I? I love them. Those are me all over. Okay, let's see here. This one out by standing. Look at that. It's a leaf. It's a real leaf that she has embossed and then tied the ribbon around. Pretty. Yeah, these are the extras you get with the Elite. Let me open. Got my little handy dandy thing. All right, so there's some paperwork right up here at the top. It says Free Spirit Designs, handcrafted glassware made by Colombian artisans. So it says crafted by skilled Colombian artisans, this striking glassware blends traditional blown glass techniques with modern design. I think it gives away a spoiler, so I'm going to stop reading here. We'll see. So I'm feeling this is going to be a kitchen theme, you think? She doesn't always do like a full theme of an area, but she did that with like the summer box, didn't she? Yeah. Ooh, look how big this glass is. And what's it say? We're handmade glasses, 4 in a set, ready to clink, sip, and celebrate. Pair us with your another spoiler. Victoria, there's just spoilers everywhere here. Okay, so I'm gonna not read anymore because yeah, there's spoilers all over the place. All right, let's see. Is this one gonna be same colors? Very well wrapped. Okay, same colors. 2 more's in here. So we got 4. The glass is thick. I mean, you could see there. It is nice, thick glassware. Very nice, made in Colombia. So I'm going to package these back up. All right, you guys, look how pretty this is. So always save these little extras, because if you've got like little bitty vases, sometimes this is all you need. Let me say, put it somewhere so it doesn't get damaged. And then if you hadn't seen my petite unboxing, she always gives us a beautiful card as well. Love to frame these. This will look really pretty with a gold frame. But then on the back, she also has all her different live events that she hosts around these boxes. If you are part of, her membership group here of getting the subscriptions. She does live styling events. She does sip and shops where you can buy more stuff. But I just love how she goes around and she shows us how she's using these products in her own household. Cut the tape, left it. Just like this, just like this. All right. So this is the other item that she was talking about on the glasses. And I will say this thing is huge. It's heavy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so when I first opened it, this is what I saw. Looking down, do you see what I see? There's a hole. See my fingers? So here it is. Here's your picture. Now, what's up with the hole? All right, she's got a thing here. Oh, now I get, yeah, okay. It says I'm made, no, goodness, of course it's made. I'm handmade and one, I can hear myself echoing. I'm handmade and one of a kind. My hidden ice pouch keeps drinks chilled without watering them down. Pour sangria, lemonade, or fruit-infused water. And when I'm off duty, I style beautifully with flowers. I've never seen this before. Put your ice in there. Never seen this before, but you can hear me echo. I love it. I love it. And this just means I've got to make a special drink for the upcoming holidays so I can use my beautiful vase. That is so cool. That is cool. Okay. That's cool. We're not done. We got one more item. So let me... And she has given us little glimpses of this. I think it was in one of the prior sip-and shops. I think she gave us a glimpse of this. And when she does those glimpses, we never know, like, what box they're going to be in. But there's a tag. Let me read the tag first. I'm a little piece of art for your sofa, chair, or bed. My silk front carries a botanical imprint, while my tassels add a playful detail. Style me wherever you need a touch of nature's beauty. Practical enough for every day and pretty enough to display. Isn't that beautiful? So this is silk. Here are the tassels. So the tassels, it looks like the ends have been dipped in a little green color, a little sage. The back here is blue. Oh, this is really pretty, you guys. This is really pretty. And it does have a zipper. I'm like, how would you take care of this long? Okay. It says spot clean only. And basically there are X's over all of the different washing and things. I was going to say, definitely with this being silk, you definitely couldn't, wash it. And then there is a little tag right here that it's the brand, and it's Bloomingville, is I believe what it says here. Yes. Make sure I zip that back up fully. Okay, so wow, you guys, what a beautiful box. Beautiful box. We've got an amazing, beautiful pillow. We have got the super cool spoons. We have got the apron, which I love. We've got the matching tea towel. We have got the 4 glasses, and let me read the rest of the tag since I had to stop. It says, pair us with your pitcher. Fill us with something refreshing and enjoy the beauty in every pour. So we've got the handmade glasses. And last but not least, the piece de la raison, the one-of-a-kind pitcher. Love it, love it, love it, love it. These are all things that I would never buy for myself, but I love to have in my home. There are the things that when your guests come over, they're going to comment on. And that's fun. I like that. I think that's just fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And thank you for spending time with me again. And so take care, everyone. Bye.